How to find images with similar colors on Pinterest. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your Pinterest application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, all you have to do is simply log in to your Pinterest account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and simply find the pin you like and just like so tap it to open it. Once you open it up, you will be able to find a magnifying glass icon in the bottom right corner of the image. You want to go ahead and tap onto it, and just like so you'll see visually similar pins, and this pins includes with similar color palettes. You can even adjust the crop area to target a specific color region in the image. Well, that's simply how you can find images with similar colors on Pinterest. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.